Now moving on to politics of a different sort, their confrontation with the HRD ministry has taken a turn for the worse. We're talking about the IIT faculty, which has now decided to go on a hunger strike on the 24th of September. But as they demand a better pay and more autonomy from the government, this unprecedented move has exposed yet another crisis within the system, the differences between the faculty and the director. Manu Sharma has the story.
24th, all IITs are planning to take up a protest where they're going to go in for a hunger fast.
A dramatic turnaround in a little over 2 weeks. The smiles of these IIT directors now giving way to anger amongst the faculty, whose demands have been ignored yet again. NDTV has learned that some faculty members feel the IIT directors, who are appointed by the government, often find it tough to do a balancing act between the ministry and the faculty. In fact, at a general body meeting, a director was requested to tell the faculty why they were satisfied after their meeting with the HRD minister.
Both the faculty representatives are a federation. As well as director, they should not work at cross purposes. The objective of both the directors and faculty are same. We want the glory of IIT system. We have to keep the interests of both in mind, no doubt. But we cannot sacrifice the interests of the faculty at any cost.
The Faculty Federation has now invited directors of all 7 IITs for a meeting this week so that they can present a united front before they can take their appeal to the minister. Till then, they have requested the directors not to respond to the communication sent from the ministry. And this may be yet another issue that binds the IITs with the IIMs. NDTV has learned that an IIM director tried to convince the faculty to agree to the HRD proposal, but it was unanimously rejected. With Monideepa Banerjee in Kolkata, in New Delhi, Manu Sharma for NDTV.
Tuba.com